Good morning, students. So, today we will revise all the chapters that are important, for this exam. So, the first chapter is The Little Prince Visits the King. So, in this chapter, we see that a little prince visits many asteroids to add to his knowledge. He just wanted to know more about the elders. This story is related to his visits on the asteroid 325. This asteroid was dominated by a king. He was very crazy man, He used to order everything and every man, and he was of the view that everyone follows his command. He addresses little prince as his subject and tells that he rules over entire universe. The little prince was quite surprised. He could not understand what to say, but he tried to taste the king. He said that I want to see the beautiful sunset of my planet. Can you please show me one sunset? Can you order the sun to set? The king was quite logical and he said that he cannot do right now because he only gave those commands which is followed. So he keeps a timetable and he gives the command according to the favorable time. He accepted that if he ordered a general to change himself into a seabird, and if the general didn't obey him, that would not be the fault of general, that would be his fault. That simply means that he only used to give logical commands. So at last the little prince got tired by his stupid questions, by his stupid commands, and left that asteroid. The second chapter is a poem, The Flower School. So this is a beautiful poem which displays the child's happiness when he gets a holiday. So here we all know that here the flowers are representing students. The students who wants to bloom, who wants to come out from the classroom, who wants a freedom, So he just want to say that students should be given some freedom to come out of the classroom, make experiment and grow like a flower. Arvind Tagore here has displayed a school that was very strict, which gives punishment to the student. So the students wanted to go to their house as soon as possible. So he just wanted to say that students should not get punishment and he should be given chances to learn the thing through his experience, not through the books. And he also favored that type of education in which the students learn from nature, learn from the experience and not through the books. The next chapter is the 3 questions, and this story is related with a king who wanted to know the answer of his 3 questions. So he just tried to know about the right time to begin everything, the right people to listen to, and the right and most important thing to do. But unfortunately, he did not get the answers in his kingdom. There were different opinions regarding the answers, but they were not a logical answer. So finally, he decides to meet a hermit who stayed in a wood. So because hermit was quite wise and patient man, and he only met common people. So this was the reason that the king disguised himself into a common man. He wore the simple cloth to meet the hermit. When he met the hermit was digging his ground, and he directly visited the hermit and went to him and put his 3 questions. But the hermit did not answer any of the questions. Again, the king repeated the same question, but he did not get any answer. So he waited patiently for few minutes. After that, he assisted the hermit in digging the ground. He asked him to take rest, and he did rest of his work. In the meantime, a long bearded man comes and he was greatly wounded. Okay, now the king and the hermit both attended to him. They all dressed his wounds and they all nursed him very nicely, and in this way his life was saved. Later on we come to know that that man was great enemy of king and he wanted to kill him. But since his soldiers found him hiding himself in the bush and they attacked him, so in this way he thanked the king for serving him and he was quite grateful to him. He made peace with the king. Again, the king goes to the hermit and asks the same question. This time the hermit says that your questions have been answered. Now the king was surprised. He says, how they have been answered? He simply said that the right time is the present. Okay, we should do any act in present, and the right people are the people who are just seeking the help from us and who are staying with us. They are the right people and we need to serve them. And the right action is that we should help the suffering humanity. We should help any person who come and ask our favor. So in this way the hermit answered all his question in a very practical way. So you all are supposed to do all the question answer, middle question answer, references, and this time again you are going to get all the question in MCQs form. Okay, so best of luck for the exam and revise all the chapters.